If you come back to your car in a supermarket car park and find that it's been dented or damaged, but the other driver didn't stop, hang around and wait to give you the details, then they are committing an offence under Section 170 of the Road Traffic Act 1988. This is where the driver is under a duty to stop, report an accident, give information or documents if there's been an accident on a road or other public place. And in response to my previous video, I read in the comments that sometimes police say that this is private land and nothing they can do about it. But that's actually not the case, because this act refers to being on a road or other public place, which is a place where the public ordinarily have access, including supermarket car parks. So hopefully if your dashcam has recorded the registration plate of the other vehicle, which is commonplace for Teslas these days, or if there is CCTV footage on the car park and they are happy enough to give you this information, then you might be in luck to trace the driver. If it's the supermarket CCTV, however, they might want to redact the information, but in which case they should be disclosing it to the police, who should follow it up. But let's say that you do have the details, but the police aren't interested in following it up, then you can make a request to the DVLA with a V888 form to request information about a vehicle or its registered keeper. To request such details, you need reasonable cause, but if there's been an accident and you can show that there's been an accident involving this vehicle, then this is going to be reasonable cause for filing this form with the DVLA to find out who was responsible for it. The same system is used for finding out who owns an abandoned vehicle, or for giving out parking tickets, or for someone driving off without paying for goods or services such as fuel. So whilst it might be a pain for the police to deal with because they might think it relatively minor to other offences, but it's actually a relatively serious offence, particularly if there was a personal injury involved. And drivers found to be in breach of this section can face 5 to 10 penalty points on their licence, a £5,000 fine, and, depending on the severity of it, a potential prison sentence of up to 6 months. So as I said, if you come back to your car and you find that it's been damaged, check whether there's any CCTV or whether you've got dashcam footage, because you can follow this up. It isn't just the end of the road, no pun intended, because you're on a public car park. So I hope that was useful. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.